안녕하세요, hello everyone. Today I want to share my favorite recipe of Galbisal 구이. If you like Korean barbecue, you're going to love this dish. Galbisal 구이 is made with boneless beef ribs that are juicy, tender, and incredibly flavorful. Let's start. For this Galbisal 구이 recipe, I like to use lots of garlic. So I recommend to use 3 to 5 cloves of garlic. Let's combine the sauce in a bowl. This is dark soy sauce, brown sugar, mirin, minced garlic, finely ground black pepper, and sesame oil. Let's mix all together and set it aside for about 20 minutes so that all the flavor from garlic and all the sauces comes together. Here I have boneless beef ribs, so you want to cut them into actually quite small pieces, just like that. Mix the meat with prepared sauce and thoroughly mix. It tastes the best if you marinate in the refrigerator for about at least 4 hours. So mix thoroughly like this. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a few hours. Heat the pan over medium-high heat. Add oil to it. Add the meat to the pan and spread it. And from now, don't touch too much. Just leave it for a while until one side change the color. One side is cooked. From now, thoroughly mix. Okay, the meat is marinated in a sauce, and for this dish we tend to fully cook the meat. I want to give a smoky flavor or charred flavor, so if you have a torch like this, cook in an additional 10 seconds in a high heat. So by torching the meat like this, it's gonna taste like a charcoal barbecue. This marinade keeps the meat so tender and juicy, and a quick blast of high heat at the end adds a wonderful smoky flavor. This sauce works great with pork shoulder or chicken thigh as well. Give it a try. The soy-based marinade keeps the meat tender and so juicy. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.